And today I've prepared to show you this no deposit bonus, guys. It's a $30 no deposit bonus available on my account right now. As you can see, I haven't traded and I've saved this yesterday, as you can see, guys. And I'm going to reveal the website in just minutes. And I just want to show you something. This is tradable and I have to open a position so that you guys can just believe. Okay, I'm not gonna open a position on random. I did a little analysis on it, and I'm going to open my first trade. Okay, let's see. It's gonna open up, guys. You can see it's my first trade, guys, with this 30 USD no deposit bonus, fast as it is. For more deposit bonus, guys, you should also go join my Telegram. As you can see, this is my Telegram here, guys. My Telegram channel. It's where I share all the no deposit bonus, the terms and conditions. As you can see, the terms and condition of the other document is this one here, and I also put analysis and few trades, few signals, guys, just to keep you posted. And also, we made a few profits. You can see we made some profit yesterday here. That shows our group is active, and I used to post for you guys, and you should be part of us. The link is just in the comment. The link is in the video description, guys. Just join us, join this family, and see how we're gonna help each other grow. Okay, guys. And before we go further, let's just go and open up our no deposit bonus, guys, on the website as it follows. But before we go further, make sure that you subscribe to the channel. It's really helpful to me seeing you guys subscribing to this channel. And the website is right here. It's just the market website, guys. It's the one that is giving 30 USD no deposit bonuses. So you can see welcome no deposit bonus here. As you can see it, guys, very simple and very nice to see. And I'm just going through some stuff, and this website is really having really advantage when it comes to rewarding and when it comes to promotions, because they offer a lot of promotions. The 30 USD no deposit, the 120 deposit bonus, and also like a $50 for every friend that you have also referred here. And you guys, what you're gonna do here, there's no lot of things that you're gonna do. What you're just going to do, if you just come to the website here, you have just to register. Okay, just a registration right here. And once you open the register, they'll just pop up this. Okay, then you choose your country of residence, and then your email address and the password. Once you create the password, then you are already done. No KYCs, no verification is required here, guys, for you to get no deposit bonus. As you can see, I'm also not verified, but you are just going to verify after you have you want to withdraw your money, and you don't need to deposit anything. Okay, guys, let me just say something before we go further. But before we go further, guys, you can see also the trustability of the broker right here. The broker is well trusted, and you can see the rating here. The broker is just active and very nice. And as you can see, all you're gonna do, you have just to trade 5 lot size within 30 days, and you are going to you're going to withdraw a maximum of 100 USD, guys. And it's very simple, and everything is well here. I'm going to drop the terms and condition of this website, of this broker, on my Telegram channel, guys. If you need this type of terms of condition and you sure wanna sign up, just come to my my Telegram channel, and I'm gonna drop all the terms and conditions for you guys so you can read it there with your own time.